I took a long break from this YouTube channel, and I learned some really amazing things along the way that I think can be beneficial to you as we move forward. So I realized that on this YouTube channel, I had started out really excited and really enthusiastic about certain topics on love, relationships, and other uplifting content. And then I started to shift into some negative momentum. Looking back on my past, realizing the difficult relationships I had been in and diving into that pain. So that was something that I was just doing too much of on this channel, and I realized that that is not the energy that I want to add moving forward. Because yes, it was a lot that I learned, and yes, you might benefit from learning about narcissism and things about relationship dynamics, which I definitely will go into on this channel. But I didn't want this channel to become just a source of me venting or sharing difficult topics that I was still brooding about from my own past. I decided to step back. I also had another YouTube channel, which I still have, which has 26 plus thousand subscribers on it. And that was my original channel. So I was juggling, trying to focus on one or the other, what to do with my time. I was also going through inner turmoil, not knowing how to deal with my emotions, how to actually let go of the deep inner turmoil and pain that I was going through. And instead, I was ruminating, adding fuel to the negative energy, and it wasn't really helping. So, after taking a step back to travel, explore the world, work on my jewelry and art business, work on my original YouTube channel, and heal, really do that inner work, it allowed me to finally come to the clarity of what I want to do with this channel, how I want to help you, and all of the wisdom and experiences and insights that I have learned during this time of taking this break. If you're like me, if you're an intuitive, if you are someone who feels strongly, if you are into manifesting, or if you have struggled in difficult relationships in your past and you're trying to figure out how to heal your energy, how to attract healthy love, how to manifest things that you actually want, that is something that I'm going to be discussing and going in depth on in this channel moving forward. Juggling a full-time business, traveling the world, and having another YouTube channel that I was all dealing with, as well as my inner work, as well as my inner healing, as well as my personal relationships, that keeping me from really feeling that I was ready to share more with you on this channel. But now, after being able to take that time and do that work and have those experiences, I am ready. Those of us who are introverts, those of us who struggle in love, or who have energy from the past, from our childhoods that get in the way of creating healthy love. For those of us who want to use our energy, embody our best energy to manifest the dreams, the travels, the money, the financial abundance, and the love that we all crave. So that is what I'm going to be doing on this channel. This moment forward on this channel, I am going to be discussing relationships and love, emotional mastery, femininity and self-concept, inner mindset, personal growth, and abundance and financial power. I have manifested, I have healed, I have traveled, I've built a business, and I've worked through my own issues and my relationships to where I feel ready to share with you now and help you embody your ideal identity and the life of your dreams. So just to give you an idea, a little bit about things that I've manifested over the last few years is I have built a jewelry and art business from scratch, which is now my full-time income, which has also allowed me to travel to 5 different countries and all over the US. I went to Italy for a month, Bali, Thailand, Vietnam, Japan. I also traveled through Canada, went to New Orleans, visited all sorts of different states, and I've also been working on my personal healing. So there were a lot of pent-up emotions inside of me from my past that I was able to let go of and work through. I've also been working on manifesting and energy, and there have been so many things that I cannot wait to share with you about thought energy, about actual physical energy and how it manifests, visualizing energy and how that actually creates your reality, and so much more. I have also worked through a lot of my own issues within relationships in a variety of situations where in some cases I felt like I had to keep trying and keep doing different things until I finally decided to just withdraw my energy, versus other situations where my energy was creating dynamics, and by healing myself I was able to harmonize the relationship and became so much better. So these are all things that I want to discuss with you. I also really started working on my own feminine energy to let go of the hustle and to allow myself rest and to allow myself to receive from the universe while I actively manifest energetically. So these are all things I'm going to be sharing with you as well. I hope you're excited because now I finally have the time, I finally have the energy, I have finally done the healing, and I am ready to go with this channel. Also, if you'd like to visit my other channel, I will link it below. It is my DIY fashion and upcycling channel. It's been with me for quite a few years and I've continued to grow it, as well as my jewelry and art business, which I am super excited about because it is one of my passions. And I'm very excited to share with you all of the ways that I can help you in these various realms. Thank you to everyone who's watching. Thanks to everyone who has been here for me and for the newcomers as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.